This is a little Regency ceiling fan from either 1996 or 97. It's electrically reversible. There's the light kit, and we'll start off on high. It spins pretty fast because it's so small, and it moves a decent breeze for its size. It's a perfectly sized fan for this little bedroom here. Alright, medium. And low. You probably can't hear it at all in this video, but this has a slight motor hum to it, which I actually like because this used to be my room, and I used to sleep with this thing running all the time, so. And it spins pretty fast on low, again because it's such a small fan. And I'll turn it off. Actually, no, let's go ahead and just reverse it real quick. It's slowing down. And there we go, it's running in reverse now. But it's hot out, so I don't need it running in reverse. Put it back to normal. And off. Here's the ceiling fan in my bedroom. It is a 52-inch something or other. I don't know what brand it is. That doesn't say any brand, or doesn't list any brand on the top. So all I know is that it's a 52-inch fan. So let's go ahead and turn out the light, and it's pretty dark in here. Turn it back on and start off on high. Medium. And low. I don't use this fan very much because I like to use floor fans, and I usually just run the air conditioner, so yeah, it doesn't get used much. This is the last ceiling fan that we have in this house. It is, I believe, some sort of Harbor Breeze fan. It's 52 inches. Don't know the model number. Didn't come with the right screws for that canopy thing, so that's why it's hanging down. And as you can see, it's got one of those electronic controls. It does have pull chains on it. Right now it's running on low. I have the controller set to high, which is usually where I keep it, and I just change the speed with the chain, so I'll turn it off and go up to high. And this is a pretty powerful fan. Go ahead and put it down on medium. And we'll go back to low. Lights aren't going to turn on because the controller has a separate switch for that, and they're turned off right now. Here's the control switch. Light is on top. Of course, you can dim it. It's not on right now. The light is just lit dimly to show that it's on standby. Here's the control for the fan. Like I said, I always keep it on high. And I just control the speed with the pull chain. There's a little tab that if you pull this out, it cuts off the power. It does a little thing when you turn it back on, and it goes back to where it was. And of course, you can change the speed with this little rocker switch, and of course that turns it off. And now it's in standby, and this is a Lutron switch, if you didn't catch that. Turn the light on. They're pretty dim. It's really just like a decorative thing. We usually have a lamp on in here if we want a lot of light. And it sort of fades out slowly if you sort of caught that at the last minute. So that's it. Thanks for watching.